Hello students, today we are going to start with some questions based on the chapter lines and angles. The first one, we have to classify these given angles in acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex or complete angle. In the types of angle, we have also seen zero angle. Here we don't have that because zero measure is 0 degree. 254. Now as we know, 254 it comes between 180 and 360. One angle which comes between 180 and 360 is a reflex angle. Next is 360 degree. 360 is the complete angle. Next, 51, less than 90 degree. That is less than 90, greater than 0, so it is acute angle. And the next one, last, is 125, which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180, so that is an obtuse angle. In the next question, we have to classify the following. Pairs are given, two angles or values are given. We have to classify them in complementary angle, supplementary angle or vertically opposite angle. Now we know that complementary means the addition should be 90. Supplementary means addition should be 180. Vertically opposite means their values should be equal. So here, first one, 77 and 103. They are not equal. So we will add them. 103 plus 77 is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, this pair is of supplementary angle. Next, 173 and 173, both angles are equal, values are equal. Therefore, these are vertically opposite. We don't have to check them by adding. We can check it. It can happen that it can be given 45, 45. Now they can be vertically opposite also. 45, 45 addition is 90. So they can be complementary also. Here 173 plus 173 is neither going to be equal to 90 nor 180. So they are not going to be complementary or supplementary. They are vertically opposite angle. And the last one, 3 and 87. So 3 plus 87 equals to 90 degree. Therefore 90 degree means complementary angle. Next question, we have write the complement of the following. Now they have given that one measure is given. We have to subtract this measure from 90 degree, so we get the complement of that angle. Means here 45 is given, so complement of 45 will be 90 minus 45, so that is 45 degree. So as I said here, complement of 45 is 45. Here also I said that same thing. Next one, complement of 10. Will be 90 minus 10. So that is 80 degree. And next, last one, complement of 61. When they have asked complement, we will subtract from 90. When they have asked supplement, we will subtract from 180. Because addition of complementary angles is 90 and addition of supplementary angles is 180. So 90 से subtract करेंगे if it is asked complementary. So that's complementary angles. So as in the previous one we had to find the complement, here we have to find the supplement. For supplement, the angle measure is 180. The addition should be 180. So to find the supplement, we subtract this value from 180. So supplement of 80 will be 180 minus 80. That is 100 degree. Next is 125. Supplement of 125 will be 180 minus 125. That is 55 degree. And last, supplement of 114 degree will be 180 minus 114. So therefore supplement of 114 degree is 66 degree. The next question, we have two parallel lines are given. P is parallel to Q. This is P parallel to Q, and R is the transversal. One angle, that is angle 2 measure, is given 65 degree. We have to find the other measures. Means from 1 to 8, we know that when there are two lines and a transversal, we have 8 angles. From these 8 angles, one angle is given. So we have to find the other angles. Angle 2 is equals to 65. Now angle 2, we have this value is given. Angle 2 का रिलेशन दूसरे किसी एंगल से हम वर्टिकली अपोजिट ले सकते हैं, लीनियर पेयर ले सकते हैं, और जब ट्रांसवर्सल की जो एंगल्स देखे थे हमें करस्पॉन्डिंग अल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर, देन इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम सप्लीमेंट्री है. व्हाटएवर topic, whatever point we can use, we'll use that property. So angle 2 is equals to angle 6. Angle 2 equals to angle 6. This relation, this is corresponding. So these two angles are 65. And writing the reason is important. For what reason we are saying that 2 is equals to 6? These angles are corresponding angles. Then with 2, now we can take 6. 6 is equals to angle 6 is equals to angle 4. Angle 6 is 65, so angle 4 is also 65 because they are alternate angles. इंटीरियर एंगल्स में, इंटीरियर में अल्टरनेट है. Now when we write alternate angles, I have said this thing. Alternate angles सिर्फ अगर लिख रहे हैं तो it means interior alternate. Exterior के लिए हम लोग specify करेंगे alternate exterior angles. So 4 and 6 are alternate angles, so they are equal. Now if we see in another way, 2 and 4 vertically opposite है. So anyways they are going to be equal vertically opposite से. So reason लिखना वहाँ पे रहेगा. 6 equals to 4 लिखा हमने, that is the alternate angle. Then next one we can take is 6 plus 3. Angle 6 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. इसके लिए हम लोग रीजन लिखेंगे. दोनों ही पैरेलल लाइंस के अंदर के है और ट्रांसवर्सल के वन साइड है, राइट साइड है. सो दिस विल बी इंटीरियर एंगल on the same side of transversal. इंटीरियर एंगल ऑन द सेम साइड का हमने देखा था, दे आर सप्लीमेंट्री, देयरफॉर 6 + 3 = 180. सो देयरफॉर 6 क्या है, 6 की वैल्यू क्या है, हमने यहाँ पे देखा है 6 इज 65 डिग्री प्लस एंगल 3 = 180. सो फॉर दिस वी आर सॉल्विंग इक्वेशन एंगल 3 के लिए सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, 180 - 65. So angle 3 = 115 degree. Then कौन सी वैल्यूज हमारी आ गई है, 2 was given, 4, 6, 3, ये सब हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया अभी. अब बचे हुए जो है वो देखते हैं. We have got 3 as 115, this is 65, this is 65. Now angle 3 equals to angle 5, so it will be 115. इसके लिए रीजन है they are alternate angles. So this is also 115. Now अब हम लोग 2 या ये ले सकते हैं 4 and 8. 4 and 8 क्या है, एंगल 4 = एंगल 8, दोनों का वैल्यू 65 होगा. रीजन यहाँ पे रीजन आएगा, दे आर करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. इसके अंदर और इसके अंदर का एंगल हम लोग करस्पॉन्डिंग लेते हैं. सो दिस इज करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. So 85 is also 8th angle is also 65 degree. Then angle 3 = angle 7. Angle 3 = angle 7. जैसे angle 4 = 8 है, 3 = 7 है, that is 115 degree. Same reason, corresponding angles. Which is remaining only angle 1, which is 5 के साथ करस्पॉन्डिंग लेंगे. एंगल 5 = एंगल 1 = 115 करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. So this is also 7 is 115, this is 115. Vertically opposite भी हम देख सकते हैं, that is also 115. Now here also we have figures, parallel lines are given and there is a transversal, but we have one measure is given but only 4 variables are given, so we have to find the values of these variable angles only. So we will use that same concept when there are two lines parallel and there is a transversal, the relations that we have, those relations we'll use. So first, or angle, this is 160, angle D is equals to 160 degree. Reason, vertically opposite. Next, D = C, angle, this is D, angle D = angle C = 160, because this and this is interior में है and they are alternate, so interior alternate interior angles, alternate angles. Next, we can take 160 and this as linear pair, or we can take C and A as interior angles, जो supplementary होते हैं. So we can take 160 plus A = 180. This is linear pair. So A equals to 180 minus 160. So A equals to 20 degree. यहाँ पे linear way concept use किया हमने. So we have got A, D and C. Last is remaining B. Angle B equals to angle A equals to 20 degree. Because they are same thing, alternate angles, alternate interior. So that's how we have got all four variables. Next figure में same A B C D दिया हुआ है variables, but the measure here is 80 degree. So this is 80. Now here I took this with this vertically opposite. Then these two lines are parallel. This is the transversal. This 80 will be equal to angle C. Angle C equals to 80 degree. Relation, these are corresponding angles. ये दो लाइंस पैरेलल है, सो इस लाइन के अप और इस लाइन के भी इधर. So that's how we get the corresponding pair. C equals to 80. C equals to D. Angle C equals to angle D. So वो भी हो जाएगा 80 degree. That is alternate angle. So C and D is done. Now with D we will take B, angle D plus angle B. यहाँ पे equal नहीं है. They are on the same side of transversal and interior. So they are supplementary angles. So that is 180 degree. They are interior angles. On the same side of transversal. So we have D, we have to find B. D is 80 degree. D is 80 plus angle B equals to 180 degree. So angle B equals to 180 minus 80, that is 100 degree. So angle B is 100 degree. Last A, angle B equals to angle A equals to 100 degree. A and B, these are having relation alternate angles. So that's how we find the unknown values.